Hi there, this is Allison with Let's Go Travel Tips, and today I am so excited to show you that our new medallions came. These are for the cruise that we are taking October 16th through the 23rd of this year, and today is October 1st, and so that's about how early you'll get them. We got them about the same amount of time before the cruise last time when we just went to Alaska in August, and so let me show you here really quick. I opened it up and this is how it came, and by the way, these came from a place called Doral, Florida. It's the Ocean Medallion fulfillment place in Florida. It doesn't come straight from China or anything. These I think probably had kind of a rocky ride to get here. They're a little bit mushed, but that's okay. So let's open it. You just slide it open like this. Here, let me put it the right way for you. Sorry, I've got to pull here a little bit. Oh, and here they are. See, they sent my husband and I both together. And I don't know if you have seen our Alaska videos, but we decided just to go. They each come with a lanyard, and here I'll open one so that you can see it. And it just says Ocean Medallion on there, and it's got the Princess logo, and it also says Accenture. I think that's the company that makes them. But we just used this lanyard this time, and my husband has ordered a little thing that goes on his watch band, and so that he could attach the medallion right on with his Apple Watch. And I will show it to you when it comes and kind of how it works. I decided that I'm just going to go ahead and keep mine on the lanyard. You can tuck the medallion. Sorry, I should have showed you this right off. This is what it looks like. And then you just hook the lanyard right here at the top. And you can put this in your purse or in your evening bag or in your pocket, in your tote bag, anything you want, and it'll still work. You can still walk up to your room and it will unlock it. You can still walk up to the bar, and I'm having a hard time getting it on. I won't worry about that, but it goes right on, and then you can just wear it. But anyway, it works if it's in your pocket or your bag or anything, so you can still walk up to like the bar, as I was saying, and they can still see on their side who you are, what drink package you've got, and it just works really, really handy to be able to order things. And so that's our medallions. And this color here is supposed to be coordinated, the middle color, with your loyalty color, and we are platinum, and so that's what the platinum looks like. And if you haven't seen one of these before, it'll have your name on it. So mine has my name, and then it says, you know, the Majestic Princess, October 16th, 2021. So it has the name of your ship and the sail date. And so we are really, really excited. And so with getting these today, I just wanted to go through with you a couple of things that I think that you should be doing or have done, at least working on, by the time your medallion comes in the mail, okay? So first of all, if you have not already chosen a drink package yet, you should take a look at that. It doesn't mean you have to, but if you like to get any drinks on the ship, I would suggest that you take a look at the drink packages that Princess offers, and any other ship you sail on as well, because if you drink very many drinks at all, whether you like to drink soda more or alcoholic beverages or cocktails, well, cocktails are alcoholic, but just anything at all, take a look, because the cost for drinks can run up really quick when you're on the ship. And so often you can save money if you get a drink package. And what it does is it just charges you a set amount every day, and then like we prepay ours before we go, but it just costs a certain amount every day for that drink package, and then you can get whatever is allowed in the drink package. And so we always get the classic soda package, and with the gratuity, they automatically add an 18% gratuity onto the charge. So with the gratuity, that one is $11.79 every day. And so with that, we can get as many fountain sodas as we want. And on Princess, they do Diet Coke. They're a Coke company, and so you can get all of the soda that you want, and then you can also get all of the fruit juices, mocktails, smoothies, all those kind of drinks. And if you want one and they don't know how to make it, you can just tell them what you want. And they're always really nice to make whatever you want. And so that is what we do. And so if you haven't done that, go ahead and take a look. And to find the drink packages on the Princess website, just go ahead and log in to Princess and click on your cruise And then once it comes up across the top, you'll see the different headings, and just click on the onboard services, and the page will come up that has all of the different drink packages. So then you can read what's included and how much it costs, and then you can make up your mind if you want one or not. And then as you scroll down closer to the bottom of that page, that is also where you order the water bottle package that we always get, and they just have the water bottles delivered to your room. Usually they are in our room by the time we get on the ship and are allowed to go to our room, and if not, they show up really soon afterwards. Usually for the $7 and I think it's 8 cents that it is, you get a 12 pack of water bottles, and usually we just got the little like 16.9 ounce water bottles, but on our last cruise they were the big half-liter ones. And so I will let you know what we get on our cruise to Mexico. But we just find it really handy to have bottled water in our room because I just like bottled water. But it also works great. The tap water on the ship is perfectly safe to drink, and I do drink some of that as well. And so if you just want to do that, there's a fridge in your stateroom. You can just go ahead and like put your little travel mug filled up with tap water and put it in there to make it cold if you'd like. So you don't have to order the water bottles if you don't have to, but if you want to, you should do that, because once you get on the ship you can't order that. And so just thought I would let you know, once you get on the ship you can sign up for a beverage package, but it's just, to me, it's so much easier to do it before, because then when you get on, you have your medallion. And like when we got on our cruise to go to Alaska, we got on a little bit before you could go to your cabin. And so we just went right over to the bar and got our Diet Coke. And it was just really nice. We didn't have to do anything about the drink package. It was all ready to go because we had already paid. And so do those things if you haven't. If you haven't booked your excursions, do that as well. I think a lot of times people want to wait until they get on the ship and take a look about, talk to people at the excursion desk, but it really is a good idea to go ahead and book them so that you can have a chance to do what you would like to do before they all sell out. And we've actually even changed a couple of our excursions, so I will update you on that in another video. You need to have started your packing list. I've been working on mine, and tomorrow I'm going to do that video and get it up for you so that if I have anything helpful that would maybe help you, I will share anything I've got, and you can share things with us in the comments too. You need to definitely have booked your flights. I think you probably all would have done that by this point. And then you might want to look on your Medallion class app and book any dinner reservations you want, either in the dining room or in the specialty dining restaurants. It's really nice, especially like on formal nights when it seems a little busier in the main dining room. It's always really nice to have a reservation then, and so we always do that. And then let's see what else. Oh, make sure that you know what you're going to do to get transportation to the port, whether you're booking the Princess shuttle like I've told you about before, or if you are going to arrange a car service, or know if you're going to do Uber or drive yourself. If you are going to drive yourself there, whether you rent a car at the airport or drive in, whatever you're doing, figure out about the parking. I happen to know that there is parking there at the port at San Pedro in Los Angeles if you're going to go there, so that's no problem. And then also figure out what your return transportation from the ship over to the airport is going to be, so that you can make sure that you've got that lined up, because you don't want disembarkation day to come and then you don't know what you're going to do to get back to the airport or to your family. And so we've got that. Let's see. Oh, and the other thing, two other things really quick, and they're really important. But before I tell you, because you're going to want to know these two important things, will you please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already? We would love to have you in our Let's Go family, and we're really looking forward to getting to meet more of you in the future, and we sure love it when you share your comments and your travel plans and just everything anything that you are experiencing as you try to cruise now and everything. We love it when you share it in the comments, and it helps other people too. So anyway, the last two things that I wanted to tell you that are really important that you should be doing by this point is that you need to make sure that you have enough of your prescription medication, because if you don't, you need to have time to get refills. And sometimes you might need to have a doctor's appointment to get refills, or call the doctor's office and have time for the pharmacy to get it, and you go get it, just everything. So make sure that you've got enough of your medicine, and definitely plan to take extra, because this day and age you never know what might happen, and so make sure that you've got extra. And then the other thing is you want to be working on your binder or your folder that you put together to take with you with all of your travel documents in it. I have been working on a list and looking at everything that we always take with us, and I'm going to put a quick video up about that as well. But be working on that so that you're prepared, that you've got your travel documents with you. And there's a lot of travel documents that you need to have access to when you go on a cruise or any other like big trip, and so I will share that with you as well, but be working on that too. So I will be talking to you again really soon. I'll talk to you again tomorrow, in fact. If you've enjoyed this video at all, will you please give it a thumbs up? We would really appreciate it. It will really help our channel. So I will talk to you again really soon. You all take really good care. God bless you. Love you. Bye-bye.